Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Saman Siddiqui, Associate Professor Zoology from Bharati University. My today's topic is how you can establish a very good research article. Okay, how you can establish a very good research article. So as I explained you last class that you should remember one thing. Okay, you should remember one thing, that methodology and the research method, they are two different things. Actually they are two different things, and mostly research methodology has been misinterpreted with the methods. Methodology is overall theory. Actually it is overall theory, and how research should be done is discussed in every aspects of your research process through from research development, and then going on in order to collect the data, and then processing information, final report writing. Okay, step by step final report writing, which is your research article or research paper. All these are the steps of research methodology. So this is what our subject, research methodology. I'm going to explain today. Actually I'm going to explain all the steps, starting from how can you establish a very good research article, a research paper or anything, okay, or research topic, research paper, research questions, and then we go with the second method of research design. What is research design? You will understand what is research design. Actually you will have to know what is research design, and the process and the data and information. All this is your research methodology. Okay, but on the other side we call it methods or research design. Both we use for same things, which is basically deal with how you are going to collect and process. Okay, how you are going to collect and process your information or your data or your sample, anything. So basically what is the difference between research method and research methodology? So method and research design is basically the part in which you explain data collection, your procedure and your sample explanation, etc. Okay, so mean that methodology and research methodology, they both are entirely two different things. So this subject particularly deals with the research methodology. Okay, this particular point, this particular topic, this particular subject deals with the research methodology, which start with choosing in research question or choosing any area or good idea or research. So that is your research methodology. Start with. But on the other hand, methods is basically just a subset, or in other words we can say small part of your methodology. Okay, understand? Method and methodology. Method is a small part of your methodology, where we are dealing with the data collection, where we are dealing with the data collection, procedure and data analysis procedure. So basically difference between research method and research methodology is, you understand? Then हम जब definition देखते हैं, behaviors and instruments used in the selection and construction of research technique is research methodology, and science of understanding how research is performed methodically is called research methodology. Okay, so that is called methods. Method and methodology are entirely different things, so don't mix these two terms. So these subjects basically research methodology, and we are going to learn about the research process actually. Okay, from A to Z, research process from A to Z, while the methods or research design deals with the data collection, analysis, procedures. Okay, I think I'll make you understand. I think मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि yes. Then there are some aspects. Okay, now in same way the term of research, I already explained about the methodology, but the term research is also being misused widely. Okay, so we can consider why research has been used wrongly. For example, if you are collecting information without any clear purpose, अगर आप किसी भी बिना पर्पस के कहीं से भी आप अगर डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं, सैम्पल कलेक्ट करते हैं, without having any clear idea or without facing any issue, you want to solve without this situation. Okay, you want to solve any situation, any problem or any object without any this kind of situation. If you collect any information, that is not the research. If you only collect the data, is not the research. For example, if I am going to purchase to buy a new car, okay, if I am going to buy a new car, so I am collecting the information about the car without any purpose. Okay, so this is not the research. Without any process, without any comparison between the different brands and different procedures, so I have not defined any set mechanism of parameter, which is I'm going to collect this information. Okay, so this is not the research. But if I'm going to take a drive, if I'm going to understand what are the differences between two brands, is the research. Okay, so I think you will get my point. So try to get information, so don't misinterpret that information with research. Okay, research has clear purpose, research has clear objective. So first you have to set objective, then you have to do your need, do your research, do your work. Okay, if you are talking about any sample, water sample or species, amphibia, reptile, apes, mammals, anything, if we are doing any, if you are work in any diseases, so what we will do, we will have to compare first. देन हम जब कंपेयर करते हैं तब हमें समझ में आता है कि हमें और क्या इनपुट्स डालने हैं और क्या डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं. देन आफ्टर विल गेट द राइट आंसर, राइट रिजल्ट. सो एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज रिसैम्बलिंग द, जैसे कि हम क्या करते हैं, कोई चीज़ को रिसैम्बल करें और रीऑर्डरिंग एनी फैक्ट और कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन विदाउट इंट्रीब्यूशन. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स. ओके, suppose to collect data and do not do any analysis. If we have the data or we have collect any data from anywhere else and we have do not doing any analysis or any interpretation from them, it is not a research. So most of the people who collect information from different peoples, बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं जो कि क्या करेंगे, कुछ peoples जाकर के कहीं से informations collect कर लेंगे and there are कोई भी type of analysis नहीं होता. ठीक है, दे आर, वो क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन आर कलेक्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड दे जस्ट विदाउट एनी इंटरप्रिटेशन और विदाउट एनी एनालिसिस. दिस इज नॉट अ रिसर्च. बिना क्वेश्चन आर के, बिना एनालिसिस के कोई भी रिसर्च कंप्लीट नहीं होता. नो मैटर हाउ you have collected data or reordered different existing facts or information, that is not correct. Okay, that is not correct research. Research is where we use term analysis. Research is where we use the term analysis. जब हम analysis करते हैं तब वो research कहलाता है. In research we do analysis, so there are different types of analysis, qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative means quality wise, quantitative means number wise. ठीक है, और external design. Actually different types of research are there. Many, बहुत सारे रिसर्च आर देयर. इफ यू वांट टू टेक एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिज़ाइन और ऑब्जर्वेशन डिज़ाइन, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिसर्च आर देयर. बट हियर माई पॉइंट इज जस्ट ओनली कलेक्ट डेटा बट एनालाइज दैट डेटा by using some procedure or some method. This is actually called research. Okay, this is actually called research. So that method will determine your research. So somewhere you are not doing it, mean you are not doing my research, any research. So that is another thing you should understand. Now finally, as a term, to get your product you will have to collect data and then you will have to analyze, then एक observation table बनाइए, then your research is complete. If you are doing so without any purpose or without any clear purpose or objective, so that is not research. I will again say that is not research. So some people use this word to get attention only. Okay, some people use this term to get attention only. So I think I am clear. Just collecting fact or information without any clear purpose is not a way to do research. So my today's topic is, I think, completed. So collect data, analyze and then interpret. Okay, thanks for today. Thank you so much.